Okay, so I've got a nice simple knife for everyone today. Uh, it's, well, I guess, first let me show you the handle. It says on it, as you might have guessed from the video title, if it'll focus, well, I guess it's not going to focus. Maybe it's because my head's in the video. Let's try this. Okay, well, it's not going to focus. So, anyway, what it says is America's Cup Challenge 1987. So I'm assuming this knife is from then. And, oh, it says Buck on the blade, which I hadn't noticed before. Buck 525 USA. So, pretty simple knife, just one blade, no extra tools or blades or gadgets or whatever. It is a locking blade, though, as you can see. Here's the lock up there. And very, very, very sharp. I don't know. Yeah, there. See that thing? Remember in another video I was trying to talk about that, but it was so small. Little like thumbnail thingy that you use to open the blade. Okay, so anyway, America's Cup Challenge 1987. There it is. See you next time.